let's break down a website copy that got 4.35% conversion rate. एंड ऑल्सो इस वीडियो के आखिर में मैं आपको वो एक मिस्टेक बताऊंगा जो कि तकरीबन हर कॉपी राइटर करता है व्हेन राइटिंग द वेबसाइट कॉपी. एंड बिफोर वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, let me introduce myself. I am Sunny Mustafa, a direct response copywriter and an agency owner. मैंने Upwork पे काम किया है for couple of years and I have hit $50K over there. So let's move forward towards the website copy. So this is the website copy I'm talking about. It is all about gun range. My target customer are people or startups जो कि अपना gun range बनाना चाहते हैं, but the number one fear जो कि उनको है वो कि वो profitable gun range बना पाएंगे या नहीं. मैंने इंटरनेट पे बहुत सर्च किया है that let's say I want to build a gun range, तो मुझे सेम तकरीबन मटेरियल मिल रहा है. लेट्स सी कि मैंने क्या वेबसाइट कॉपी मिली. इन द हेडलाइन ऑफ अ वेबसाइट कॉपी आई हैव फोकस्ड ऑन द नंबर वन मास मार्केट डिजायर, द मोर स्पेसिफिसिटी. The number one mass market desire is to build a profitable gun range because this is the number one here on fire problem they are facing, their fear. And also this is the number one mass market desire. उसको मैंने specific किया है in X time. That time वो ये time client खुद choose करेगा जो भी वो करना चाहेगा. Remember, specificity is a gold and specificity with speed is diamond. And उसके बाद मैंने अपने सब header में बात की है value की. Join the first ever range platform that offers clear guides on how to grow commercial shooting range. So I talk about the guides means I am focusing on adding value. Remember, the purpose of a website copy is to build trust, not to sell. Sell खुद ब खुद होगी, सबसे पहले build करो trust को. And then there are call to action button that is yes I want this. 20 plus years pedal test experience all in one platform. Again value, ये पूरा एक intellectual part है जो कि मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. And then there is another intellectual part, again value, 67 plus guide, legal must know checklist, applying for financial templates, trusted suppliers, cheat sheets. Again value, insane value. I'm adding insane value to build their trust, to build the desire, to increase the desire. And moving forward to intellectual part. In this part, I have talked about I had to break it. It all began with my friend's dream who wanted to open his own shooting range. But whenever he searched online, all he found was the same old, generic, outdated shit that rolls over and over. So this is the exact problem they are facing. With many research here, and I have found the same material on Quora, Google, Reddit, Facebook groups. एंड जब भी ये लोग कुछ ढूंढना चाहते हैं अबाउट बिल्डिंग द गन रेंज, उनको सेम मटेरियल मिलता है जो कि सिर्फ थ्योरी है. एंड बिकॉज मैंने वो सेम एक्सपीरियंस खुद भी हासिल किया है, सो आई नो व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम दे आर फेसिंग. सो मैं उन सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को खुद रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. एंड व्हेन एवर दे विल रीड दिस सेक्शन, दे विल लाइक, ओह दिस इज एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम आई एम फेसिंग. वाओ. Remember, your website copy should be written in the way जैसे कि वो target audience खुद अपने बारे में. And now moving forward, and that is exactly how we got started. And sorry, इससे पहले ये है always asking God what if there's a way, and that's exactly how we got started. This platform is the answer we wish for. It offers everything a gun range owner could possibly need. Again, focusing on the number one mass market desire, number one thing they want to get to start this business. So moving forward, join the first ever platform 100% committed to your range owner team. Again, emotional part because people buy with emotion and justify with logic. And then moving forward, this is again an intellectual part where they will justify with logic. And let's break down this header. Grow your gun range is the benefit. 7 key fundamentals is the deliverable. So I'm going to tell them what is the number one thing that you will get from this deliverable, and then explain them about ये जो deliverable आपको मिलेगा वो किसके बारे में होगा. It will help you to to be financially profitable, to make it fully operational, to solve your day-to-day problems. I'm going to clear the expectations. जो भी उनको हमारे यहाँ से मिलेगा वो उनको किस तरीके से help करेगा. And adding insane value. Again, there is another portion जहाँ पे I'm talking about and always 27 plus 24/7 advisor. We share with you what others don't want to give away. Again, intellectual part. Again, value, 67 plus guides. be specific, 10 plus convention layouts, 7 plus creating marketing tips, 30 plus financial hacks, and moving forward, again summarizing everything what they will get, 67 plus guides, again value, insane value, and then finally there is a objections जो okay मैंने address किए हैं यहाँ पे. There are common objections हर human लेके आता है अपने दिमाग में whenever they will buy something, and there is a final call to action button. So everything that I'm adding in this copy is all about building more trust. So if you have added something that is not building trust, or that is not helping them, not adding any value, just delete that portion from the website copy. और जो एक common mistake है जो कि हर freelancer, हर copywriter तकरीबन अपनी copy में करता है, वो ये समझता है कि अगर मैं fancy language लिखूंगा तो वो buy करेंगे, वरना नहीं. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Use simple language. डोंट यूज फैंसी लैंग्वेज. मैंने बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स देखे हैं जहाँ पे लोग अपनी कॉपी शेयर करते हैं और पूछते हैं कि ये मेरी ईमेल देखो, ये फलां कॉपी देखो और बताओ कि मैंने अच्छी लिखी है. दे cannot tell you because they don't know the target audience. Until unless they don't know the target audience, their pain, fears and every single thing, they cannot tell you how good your copy. Thank you.